So what we've now got is the yeast sitting on top of the pre-boiled sanitized water. Hello brewers, thought I'd do a short video on rehydrating dry yeast. This is step one. So we've got a 1 litre conical, 400 ml of carbon filtered, so chlorine, chloramines taken out with water, but it's still got all the minerals left in it. A little bit of tin foil on top. So it starts off at 400 ml and we boil it on here for 10 minutes and we get down to around the 200 ml mark. And that's what we pitch the dry yeast into. And I'll show you that process next. So we're looking at rehydrating the yeast. So I've got the cooled boiling water from earlier. So now I've got the yeast packet. I've got some tin foil. I've sprayed everything with sanitizer. So I'm just going to turn that over into a little package. While so that can sit there and sanitize. At the same time, we're going to take the scissors we use for that and sit them in some sanitizer as well. So there's the kit ready to go. So unfortunately I didn't get footage of me cutting the packet open and putting the yeast in the conical, because I simply couldn't do it one-handed. So what we've now got is the yeast sitting on top of the pre-boiled sanitized water. Now the advice I have been given when rehydrating yeast is do not stir it. Let it sit and hydrate slowly, because what it was described to me, it would be like when the yeast cells are rehydrating, they're reasonably fragile. So if you were to start spinning them around, it's quite possible you can break that membrane. So allow them to rehydrate slowly. So this temperature of this water is probably at 25 degrees. So I'm just allowing them to rehydrate slowly there on their own, not forced, as not to break those fragile membranes, cell membranes, while they're rehydrating. So I'll leave this for about 20 minutes to half an hour, make sure it's fully hydrated, and then we'll be pitching it into the fermenter.